welcome to Round Rock Honda's YouTube channel today. Sitting inside the brand new 2022 Honda Civic Sedan touring model. Just fired it up, just taken it off the hands of our pre-delivery inspection team. This is the first time that we're going to be driving it. If you're looking for the walk around video, a look at all of the new features, which I can tell you, spoiler alert, there are many. It is a completely new model. There's very little that's normal and standard and the same. But yeah, if you're looking for the walk around video, check the link above. I will have that for you with an in-depth look. But let's take this for a first drive, see how it handles. What I can tell you from just sitting in it, it's very comfortable. I noticed that we've got a seatbelt reminder. It shows me that one person is buckled up of the 5 seats available on a full digital cluster. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay are wireless in this touring model. We've got the Bose sound system. We've got the canted shift lever pulling towards the driver, so makes for a more natural shift selection. There's some real nice, nifty, dandy features on this. I like it. All right, let's leave all of the features to the walk around video and we'll take this for a drive and see how it handles. What I do like about the seating position now and what they've done up front, it's definitely got a much better sight line left and right. I think that might be to do with the rake of the window, and they've got these super slim pillars. We've got more power and torque as well from the same 1.5 turbo engine. It really does get up and fly. That was by no means a full throttle peel out of the dealership. We've got blind spot information in both left and right mirrors on the touring here, so glowing at over 20 miles an hour. When I use the turn signal, if there was something there, it would flash when we get a beep in the car. We've got the auto stop start as well on the vehicle, so I can cancel that if I want. It's actually just kicked in now, so I can turn that off. I've got the brake hold, which is standard, so I'm in drive, but taking my foot off the brake, and it's now just holding the vehicle for me. I don't have the sport or the low options in the box anymore. It's just park, reverse, neutral and drive. We've now got the paddle shifters, plus we've got a drive mode option button below the shifter, which gives us a sport mode option. We've got a normal mode option, and then an econ mode. All green, it even kind of zooms in. It's like a live wallpaper. Cool. I like this. Speed sign recognition is here as well now. And then if I wanted to activate the Honda sensing, I push the cruise control button. The dials have moved digitally. It even has real-time lighting. So when I took my foot off the brakes, you might have seen there, put my foot on the brake, it pulls them up, brakes off. I can activate cruise control. I can set here. I can add. Oh, that's cool. Well, that's really cool on the dial there. I don't know if you see that. I've set it at 45, in a 45. We're doing 38, and it's showing me on the digital cluster that I've got a green little marker, little flag, where I'm going to be heading, and this is actually tracking the vehicle in front of me. It's even showing the lane moving over. That is insane. It's done all the braking, by the way. That's rather cool. It's like playing a video game. What else can I tell you? on our little loop drive here, on our first demo drive. I can tell you that the steering wheel feels really nice. They've actually made this smaller, and it's tight and it feels great in the hand. It's leather wrapped, it's multi-stitched. Turn signals feel good. They've got a little grippy thing on the end there, little texture. I'm going to get on it round here. That wasn't full. That wasn't open, wide open throttle. That was giving it some beans, but it wasn't giving it all the beans. Thank you. Blind spot information. Have you seen how this is tracking the road that I'm in? So if I come over to the left, the car moves over to the line. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm going to put lane keeping assist on. Now it shows green. Oh, okay. I'm pulling over to the left, and it's kind of trying to. There we go. That's more tuned and dialed in than the old 21 outgoing models for sure. Let's just see if it gives a brake alert here. Maybe not, because I'm in control. Let's try these paddle shifters. Simulates a pretty decent gear change. Even though it's a CVT transmission, it still feels like it's got gears when you do that. Pull it round here. What a fun little car. Superbly quiet as well. This AC seems a lot more dialed in. Before it was noisy. If I can use the word noisy, I think that's fair to say. It's not noisier. How about that? It was definitely noisier in the 21s, 16 through 21 Civic. But this feels good. It sounds good too in terms of it's not noisy. Let's just use the backup camera. So on this particular model, we've got the proximity sensors with the parking sensors front and back. We've got the 3-position backup camera. We've got the cross-traffic monitor. We can take the parking sensors out of the equation and put the camera into play. So a wide-angle standard and a drop-down looking at the ground. I like having the parking sensors. If I move the steering wheel, there you go. It tracks with me. Super cool. Well, this is a first drive. Thanks for joining me. I've really enjoyed driving this. It's super comfortable. I love the new features, the anti-fingerprint molding and design on the side, on the center, and on the passenger side. Love the new honeycomb features. Stalks feel nice. Everything in this is completely new. Listen to that. It feels great. Sounds good too. Whether you're an audible or visual kind of guy or gal, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. My phone's already paired, and I can go into that, and I can play music. I can go into navigation. I can go and look through whatever I want to look through here. That's really cool. There's a physical button for home and a physical button for back as well. Volume dial is in. We've got the navigation here, slightly different than the 16 through 21 models. But yeah, what a nice refreshing change to have a super clean, tech-filled, fun car. I think Honda have done a great job on the inside. What do you think? That's the question. As I said, there's lots and lots of new features, you know, from LED lights to just everything. The Bose sound system, the premium sound system in the touring model. But comment, share, let me know what we need to do. And if you want to look around the walk around video, absolutely. Jump on there, have a look at it, and we'll go through all of the bits and pieces in a fine-tuned, close-up, nice specific way so that you can have a real good feel for the car. But thanks for joining me for the quick demo drive. Thanks for the lap around Round Rock, and stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you again on another one.